Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an alternator on a Toyota Tundra 5.7 engine. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before starting any work. Next, you'll need to locate the alternator, which is usually found on the lower passenger side of the engine. Make sure you have all your tools ready, including a good set of wrenches, sockets, and a pry bar for leverage. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by releasing the tension on the serpentine belt using a breaker bar on the tensioner pulley, then carefully remove the belt. Next, disconnect all the electrical connections attached to the alternator, ensuring no wires are damaged. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. It might be a tight fit, so a little wiggling or prying can help get it out. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: working on your truck can be tough on your feet, so why not treat them right? Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets and hand tighten the bolts first, then fully secure them. Reconnect all the electrical wiring, making sure each connection is tight and correct. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed over all pulleys and the tensioner provides adequate tension. Double-check everything before moving on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.